Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be upgrading the throttle pipe and the turbo outlet pipe on an MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by removing the noisemaker pipe. Once the noisemaker pipe is out, next I will remove the throttle pipe. It's held on by 2 clamps and 2 screws. Now I need to remove the splash guard to gain access to the lower clamp and screw. This is what the new pipe looks like when compared to the old one. Now I'm going to remove the sensor and transfer it to the new pipe. I'm not going to reuse the rusty screws on the sensor. I removed 2 triple square bolts from the heat shield and used those instead. I am planning to completely remove the heat shield, so I won't be needing those bolts anyways. The sensor is installed, so now I'll transfer the 2 screws and washers. I added a little grease on the washers, and now it's time to install the pipe. The 2 screws, 2 clamps and sensor are back into place, and now this is what it looks like when the throttle pipe is installed. Now it's time to install the turbo outlet pipe. I'll start by removing the wheel and splash guard. This pipe is held on by 2 screws, a clamp and a clip. This is what the new pipe looks like when compared to the old one. Now I'm going to transfer the 2 washers and the 2 screws, then install the pipe. This is what the turbo outlet pipe looks like when it's installed. And that's it for this one. Let me know what you think about this upgrade in the comment section below, and if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.